Do you still believe weight loss has to be painful? Let me show you it doesn't. For years, they told us that only the ones who suffer, starve, and overtrain lose weight. But what if I told you that what changed my body and my life was as simple as a morning drink? Yes, I take it every single day, and I love it. Not only did it kickstart my female metabolism, it helped me escape emotional eating and reconnect with my body. This isn't a magic trick or some internet trend. It's real-life routine, built with love, with strategy, and a touch of rebellion against everything we've been taught about weight loss for women. In this video, you'll learn the simple ritual that sparked my transformation, the functional ingredient my body thanks me for, and the small habit that finally calmed that nighttime emotional hunger. And maybe, just maybe, you'll end this video saying, "Now I get what freedom feels like." The ritual that changed everything. It's not just another diet. It's a simple ritual that completely shifted my body and my relationship with food. What most people don't realize is that weight loss for women begins long before breakfast. It starts the moment you choose to care for yourself right after waking up. Creating a pleasurable, sustainable morning ritual helps align your mind and metabolism. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, a simple morning shot is all it takes. The first time I tried a drink to boost fat burning, I was skeptical. It was just warm water with lemon, a pinch of turmeric, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. But it made such a difference that I turned it into a sacred habit. I felt less emotional hunger, more mental clarity, and my urge to snack all afternoon slowly disappeared. This isn't magic. It's your body responding to care. And when you combine it with other daily habits for weight loss, the game starts to change. This kind of ritual is more than a routine. It's a symbol of commitment. It teaches your brain new commands with no punishment or obsession. You don't need to change everything overnight. You just need to change one thing that changes everything. And guess what? Once this ritual becomes part of you, you start discovering powerful ingredients already hiding in your kitchen. The ingredient. My body thanks me for, I used to think it was silly. Now, I don't go a day without it. It was only when I added Ceylon cinnamon to my morning routine that I understood the power of a single ingredient on the female metabolism. The difference? It's anti-inflammatory, balances blood sugar, and adds flavor to my teas and shots. Something so small helped me manage bloating, cravings, and that sluggish feeling I couldn't shake. I thought I needed expensive supplements or extreme diets to see results. But everything changed when I simplified. Adding Ceylon cinnamon to my coffee, warm water, or even a mashed banana became my secret weapon. And when I paired it with apple cider vinegar and psyllium in a fat-burning drink, my body reacted instantly. Less swelling, more fullness, and that light, energized feeling I'd forgotten about. This ingredient became my daily ally, especially when my female metabolism felt stuck. And if there's one lesson I've learned on this journey of sustainable weight loss, it's that small daily tweaks can create powerful results. It's not about a miracle solution, but about recognizing what your body truly needs. And that leads to one of the biggest realizations I've had: the silent strategy behind women who lose weight without suffering. The secret of women who lose weight without suffering. You know what they have in common? It's not willpower. It's strategy. While many women are trying to power through diets and exhausting workouts, the ones who achieve sustainable weight loss do the opposite. They make it easier for themselves. They create daily weight loss habits that fit into their real lives, even with kids, work, and endless tasks. They stop punishing themselves. They start taking care, wisely. One of these habits might be drinking a calming tea before dinner, going for a 10-minute walk after lunch, or simply eating slowly and listening to their hunger. Sounds simple, right? And that's exactly why it works. Weight loss for women shouldn't feel like a battlefield. It should feel like a peaceful reunion with your body, your food, and your emotions. These women understand that natural weight loss is not about resistance. It's about awareness. They don't wait for motivation to magically appear. They build rituals, adjust their healthy morning routine, and learn how to truly listen to themselves. And it's exactly when you start trusting yourself more, and the crazy rules less, that everything begins to shift. But of course, some days are still hard, especially those long nights when emotional hunger tries to take over again. How this habit stopped my nighttime cravings. Nighttime was always my downfall. I'd spend the whole day being good, and then, when the house went quiet, all I wanted was to eat everything in sight. But it wasn't real hunger. It was emotional emptiness. When I finally realized that my body needed true satiety and emotional regulation, things started to change. A simple psyllium tea before dinner became my shield against that false hunger. My recipe was simple: hot water, mint leaves, a spoon of psyllium, and a splash of lemon. Within minutes, my stomach felt full, and more importantly, my heart felt calm. That habit didn't just help boost my female metabolism, it taught me how to stop using food as a comfort blanket. I started sleeping better, waking up lighter, and taking back the control I thought I'd lost. Overcoming nighttime cravings isn't about saying I can't, it's about saying I deserve better. And when that belief becomes part of your routine, something shifts deep inside. You realize that weight loss for women is less about control and more about freedom. And the more I connected with that lightness, the more I understood. The things we do with love and intention become our liberation. I take it every day and I love it. Isn't just a phrase, it's my freedom. Some people hear me say that and think I'm exaggerating. But when I say I take it every day and I love it, it's because this little habit became a symbol of my freedom. It's not just about the drink, it's about what it means. Self-respect, presence, choice. Whether it's my morning shot or psyllium tea, it's not a punishment. It's a gift I give to my body. And that gift changed the way I live female weight loss. I no longer think about diets, I think about connection. Creating a healthy morning routine gave my days purpose from the start. That cliche phrase, "you deserve the best," became something I saw in the mirror every morning. It didn't happen overnight. It came from consistency, from caring, from staying in tune with my needs. So when someone says natural weight loss is a fantasy, I just smile. Because you and I both know, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. It's about embracing simple daily acts of self-love that help you build sustainable weight loss without suffering. And once that clicks, you'll be ready to go back to where it all began and rewrite your story from the start. Now tell me, are you going to keep waiting for some miracle solution, or are you going to start with what's already in your hands? Because what really transforms your life isn't some perfect plan. It's the small, loving decisions you make every single day. So, which habit are you going to try first? The morning ritual? The drink with natural ingredients? Or maybe a new way of looking at food? Drop a comment and tell me which part of this video spoke to you the most. I read every message with love. And if you're a woman who wants to lose weight naturally, with ease, strategy, and care, subscribe to the channel right now. This space is made for you. Tap the notification bell too, because everything I post here is designed to help you become your best self, without crazy diets or guilt. You're not alone, and your body deserves this fresh start.